Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to create barcode in a Microsoft Excel step-by-step tutorial. So as you can see right here, I'm currently inside a website, not an application, but a website for Microsoft Excel. Now if you don't want to use the third-party application or the Microsoft Excel application on your computer, and you don't want to install if you don't have one, you can simply type in here for a new tab, type in excel.new. And you'll open up Microsoft 365 and you have a bunch of offices to work with. Now going back on my own Excel, of course, this one right here, I have a few data here, basically chocolate chip foods and snacks to work with. And we're going to generate barcode in each one of them. So the last part, we're going to generate a QR code, and that's going to be my surprise for you, so please still stay until the end of the video. Now let's get started here. The first thing you want to do is of course format your cells, because by default, by the very simple cell, if you type in 0 right here, it will go back on 1. If you type 0 first, for example, and you type so much numbers here, if you enter, they will remove the 0. That's because it's now going to be on general format. If you want it to be 0, make sure you type on text, like this. Make sure your format is going to be on text and you can change it in here. Another way to do that is, for example, you can just simply go on any cell you want, and then basically with this one, make sure you click on that format right here and make sure you're in text. Another way, another shortcut for you guys is click on Control 1. Again guys, I'm going to type right here, Control plus 1. Click on that one on your keyboard, like this one right here, and this formatting will show up. Basically it's the same thing as the shortcut from earlier, so just use this one. Same thing, same process, much faster. Now once you successfully format your numbers, let's create a barcode. And now let's create the barcode. Now to create the barcode, simply go here, make sure in this cell, and look for the formatting helper. Should be this one, the FX. Click on it right there, and type in image. We're going to utilize the image function here, and what it does is returns an image from a given source. Basically that's the function there. Click on next. Now you're going to see here we have source, alt text, sizing, height, and width. We're only going to utilize source because you're going to see a red asterisk there. If you don't see the red asterisk, your end should be bolded with the source format. Now once you're here, go in the format cells or the source format. Simply click in here the apostrophe, or I may call it double asterisk. Paste this code. By the way, you can copy this code with no problem at all. And simply close it up first. Once you close it up, click on the Aspen or the AS logo, or basically an N logo, and click on the B5, the first UPC code. Once you click on it, it'll be good to go. Simply click on enter. And now, if you haven't seen an error on your end, that's perfectly fine. But if you suddenly see this error, let me just pull it up. Please don't worry if you have seen this error. Just simply click on the paste everything option. This only means that Microsoft Excel is warning you that your active content such as macros can contain harmful code. You're pasting them as why. But you know that this is not a harmful code, and you'll be good to go. And now we have successfully created a barcode basically, and to increase the size, you can just increase the table here, like so. Perfectly right there. By the way guys, speaking of table, it's pretty powerful that you have a table of your own. And if you don't have, for example, I have a set of numbers here, set of data. And if I want to enable table here, simply hover it up, insert, and click on table, like so. And now if you don't want to do that, a pretty much hassle formula, just type in this one, control, like so, plus T. Basically that should do it. You're gonna create a table for your end. And now let's try the next example. We're gonna use a barcode, but for this one, we're gonna utilize a product number and not a UPC. Now again guys, once you're here, same drill. You can now use the equal sign and go for image. Put this one. Like here, if you click on it, you're gonna have a source. Basically for the source now, this is gonna be our code. And then of course, close it up. Same drill. Almost forgot the apostrophe or double asterisk on the first one. The Aspen or the N logo. Click on the number and you'll be good to go. Let me just click on Enter, or let me just close it up first. Perfect. Click on enter, and there is our code. Let me just enlarge the first one so you guys can really see it. And now the difference with this one is this is a product number, this is a UP or UPC. Now if you want to change a specific format, you'll notice on the formula there is an auto. Now if I want here to make it a code 39, for example, I can do so. It will just load it up for a little while. It will take a few seconds. Like so, it's still loading as of now. And get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is code 39 and that took me around 15 seconds to be honest. And now, speaking of the code format or the bar format, I have this website right here. With this one, you can choose your barcode. This is auto. This is basically random. It chooses the best barcode for you. This is UPCE. And right now, the one I did earlier is code 39, a basic alphanumeric barcode, uppercase letters and numbers only. This is code 128, and the one earlier we have UPCA and UPCE also. You can choose so much more here, and you're gonna be by your own preference here. Alright, it's time for the barcode. Right now, we're gonna try and utilize this link so we can go to my YouTube channel. Again, to check on my YouTube channel, let's just go to right now. So again guys, if you will try this on your phone, you should arrive in this YouTube channel. Basically, this is mine. Now going back on the barcodes, in here, you can just try typing in the image function here. And then you simply use the parentheses right there. Add an apostrophe or double parenthesis here. Our code right here. Close it up. Use the Aspen or the N logo as I may call it. And with that one, just simply type in the link. Now you'll notice here I have a table 3 code because simply this one right here is named table 3. If you don't have it or you don't see a table 3 code here, you only see this one, the URL, that is perfectly fine. Just simply close it up, especially that's basically the same. Or close it right here. And now this QR code, even if you try it on your phone, right now you should be directed on my YouTube account. Basically, that's it. Now, the fun thing about this one, if I change this link, for example, I simply type in here www.facebook.com. Let me just try it out. Facebook, like this one, .com. If I click on enter, the QR code on the right side will change insufficiently or to satisfy this code right here. Now, simply click on that refresh, and now this QR code is for a Facebook link. Please try it out on your phone and it will work out. Let me just go back on my code, of course, because I want this Tutorialboxx feature code, and that's gonna be my Tutorialboxx QR code right there. Please take note their real-time changes. Same goes with this one and the barcodes right here. That's it. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.